guys, today we'll be talking about loop. Okay, let's be serious. Asynchronous or polyphonic loops. Many electronic genres make extensive use of loops. When you listen to your favorite examples of loop-based music, there's always some sense of motion that keeps the music fresh and interesting. But your own attempts to work this way usually strike you as static and boring. You know, sometimes when we just keep the same loop and not change the loop itself, doesn't matter if we have, let's say, 3 or 5 tracks of different loops. If you don't do a strategic variation in between sections to sections, things get boring quite fast, right? The book suggests a couple methods to spice things up, and as usual, you guys already know it, I normally do my own examples. Alright, so here we go. I set the example to C sharp minor, and the BPM is 128. So let's look at a small chunk. We have D sharp, E, F sharp, and G sharp. Basically, we're just gonna loop this 4 notes to the end of human race. So let me solo this first. It sounds like this. Cool. Now, to make things more interesting, we are gonna add, why is it not moving? Oh, there you go. We're gonna add one extra note, one extra 16th note, only at the beginning, but instead of the same length as the first loop, I actually make it a little bit longer. So one is here, the other one's here. So now this one, this first note and this first note, they are aligned, but when it repeats again, it's offset by 1 note and so forth. This will create a very interesting polyrhythm. So why don't we add one more? This time is, okay, let me open this. That was clear. Dun, 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 dun. So this is one loop. Basically, I added A. It's the flat 6 in C sharp minor. Yes. So I added A in this space and A in this last space. 3 MT 16th. When it's in the loop fashion, this one will very quickly have another one follow up, right? You can see the shape here. And all together, they're gonna sound like, right, I forgot to show you guys this one as well. But anyways, all together, it sounds like this. Right, so there's actually, okay, stop checking yourself out, look at the camera. So basically there are a lot you can do. I just show you guys 3 very simple steps you can do to create a loop-based music that's not gonna be static. You can also try to set a LFO as a trigger source to move the sound, and obviously you can do different automation in different section, like throughout different sections. Also, you can, what else you can do? You can open or close the filter cutoff from time to time. Yeah, there are a lot you can do. I love loop-based music when it's done well, tastefully. Hopefully it helps. Give it a try and let me know how it goes. Until then, I'll see you